Okay, now it's part 3. His finger, so he can't write. Okay, so basically that means he already cut his finger, right? Okay, but do you know when he cut it? Yeah, I don't know, right? There's no specific time here. So do you use cut or has cut? Because cut is the base verb, but it can be the past form as well, because past form for cut is also cut, right? So this is past simple tense. And this is present perfect tense. So we can use past simple and present perfect for the actions that happen in the past, but the only difference is past simple always show you the time it happened, okay, the time. But present perfect tense, it didn't tell you the time it happened. No time happened, right? So did they tell you when he cut his finger? No, right? So that's why the answer is C, has cut. So 42, every day, the TV program by thousands of people. Okay, so you see, by, that means it's a passive. Passive means a 被动词, right? 被动词. So 被动词, we gotta use verb to be plus past participle. Okay, so this is a passive. So every day, so which means this TV program is watched every day. So when it's every day, it's present tense. So we gotta use, is watch. Cannot be was watch. And has watch is different. It's wrong. Okay, now 43. I'm sure you lots of friends at college. Okay, so can you see the word I'm sure? Yeah. So now you're actually using your brain to 觉得, 相信. Whenever you think of something, you believe of something, or you're sure of something, that means you use your brain to think of something to make a prediction. Prediction means a 预测, okay? 预测, you know, 预测, something that is going to happen, right? So I'm sure you lots of friends at college. So when this case happens, right, you use your brain to make a prediction. You sure of something, you believe something, we would use the word will for the future tense. So A is the answer. This is short form. Apostrophe LL is a short form for will, okay? So 44. These jeans are half price. Alright, so what is this? This is also something that happened in the future. And this one is like happening on the spot. Why? Because now you know that these jeans are half price. Okay, there's a promotion for that. So this is happening on the spot. And on the spot, you make a decision. That means 有一个事情发生了 and 你当场做了一个决定 decision 决定 okay, so when these things happen, which one are you gonna use? Yes, on the spot and make a decision, you will use B, I'll get. Okay, now 45, look at that 3, it's down. Alright, so what is this? Look at that tree. Look at that tree. Okay, you see something and you make a prediction. So what is that? In this case, what are you gonna use? Yeah, you're gonna use be going to. Okay, 你看到那棵树那棵树哦，那棵树快要倒了，快要倒了。So you will use is going to, right? Going to. Okay, 46. I'm afraid that you pass your exams. Okay, I'm afraid. This is also your brain. Your brain. 我怕, 我害怕. This is also talking about your brain. So this is what you're afraid of, and you make a prediction of something. 你害怕，然后你做了一个预测. So this thing you're gonna use will as well. Okay. So will negative is will not or won't. So the answer is won't pass your exams. Okay. Now 47. Okay, this is talking about conditional. If I had more time, I to play an instrument, okay? This is talking about conditional. So conditionals 有条件性的, they are for types, type 0, 1, 2, and 3. So type 0, type 0 and type 1, they are referring to something that is real. And type 2 and type 3, they are referring to something unreal. 就是不真实的事情哦. Okay, so look at this. If I had more time, okay, this is actually type 2. This is using past simple tense. 如果我有更多的时间, which means 其实你现在没有更多的时间. So 这个是不真实的. Okay, so that's why This is type 2. And if you're using past simple here, so here you're gonna use past simple also. Woodland, wood is a past simple. Okay, now 48. If you regularly, you will lose weight. Okay, if you see the word real, right? This is type 1. Type 1 is something real, okay? 它是真实的，可是它不一定100%会发生啊 alright? So for this one, okay, for type 1, we use present simple here. So present simple is which one? If you exercise regularly, okay? 它不一定会发生，就是说什么？如果你一直 exercise， 你就一定会 lose weight。它不一定啊，这个不一定100%会发生的 ，okay? 它会 likely would happen, but nobody can assure that it is 100% to happen. Okay, now 49. If I were you, I send his opinion as well. Okay, so look at this. What type is this? This is type 2. 如果我是你 hello, 我怎样变成是你啊? So this is something unreal. So if I were you, so it's same thing. We're gonna use past simple here. I would ask. Okay. Okay, now look at 50. If you want money, you'll be able to buy the phone you want. So which type is it? Oh my god, you can see that. You will be. So this is type 1. Type 1. In the front part, you use present simple. So if you, present simple, save money. This type 1. 如果你存多点钱，你就可以买了啦。But is it gonna happen 100%? No, slightly only. Okay, 51. The film was even worse than the TV series. So it's comparing right now. The film is comparing with the TV series. And this will keyword then, okay? So this one we're gonna use, because we are comparing two things, right? We're gonna use comparative adjective. So which one is comparative adjective? Yeah, it's better, not good and best. Best is superlative. 最好的 okay, better means 比较好的 52. William is fitter than his friends. Okay, we are comparing two as well. Okay, fitter than means 比较 fit. 比较 fit. So fitter is already the comparative. Can we add more? No. If we add more fitter, that means 比较 fit. That's wrong. More is only for example beautiful. More than 3 or more than 2 syllables. Beautiful. Because we can't say beautifuler, right? Because fitter already means 比较了的. Okay, so the only answer is much fitter. Cannot say very fitter. Much fitter. Much more beautiful. Okay, right. 53. This is the interesting book I've ever read. Okay, 这个是最有趣的 book. Okay, 我有史以来读过最有趣的 I've ever read means 有史以来 Okay, 最有趣的 sorry, 不是最有趣 Now we are talking about yes. Which one is the okay? When we see the right, we know that this is superlative. 最 okay. So which one is a superlative adjective? Yeah, it's least. Okay, less is comparative when we are comparing two. Okay, 54. Janet is what as her younger sister. When you see the word as, must be as also as. This is adjective. As pretty as means 一样漂亮. As big as means 一样大. Must have the word as at the side. Okay. 55. This hotel is the nicest. All the hotels on the island. Okay, so nicest 最好的. So which one? Yeah, it's the nicest of all the hotels. Of, you're gonna use of. Okay, 56. This is the what expensive hotel instead. Okay, there's a word the. That means what? Yeah, superlative. 最贵的. So is the most. Most is the superlative. Okay, more is comparative. Right, now look at 57. Evan is what as his older brother. So as means okay, again as means 一样. Alright, so as tall as the older brother. So that means it's 一样高. Okay, so 58. The show was even than I expected. I expected means 我期待的跟我预期的更好. Okay, then. So when you see the word then, it means we're going to use comparative. So comparative means we're going to use, yes, better is the comparative. There's no such thing as gooder. Okay, 59. The island has what beaches than the others. Okay, you see that? I'm comparing two as well because there's a word then. So this is a comparative. Okay, so has what? Which one is comparative? Yes. as cleaner. Right, and the last one, 16. Andrew is stronger than me. So we're comparing to, this is comparative as well. 比较强, okay? So can we still use more, stronger? 不可以, because more, stronger means 比较强. So the only answer is A. Yeah. So that's all for